Hey y'all, welcome back to another edition of Eats with Fefe. Guess what we got on the menu today? We got a hot dog. Okay. I saw these Italian sausages, smoked chicken sausages, in Kroger's. And I said, hey, give me one. I want a hot dog. So this is what it looks like. I threw it in the air fryer. I cut me up one small potato. Okay. I fried it up, then I stuck it in the air fryer so it get crispy. Got some coleslaw to go on top. And we got a calorie count. Mmm. Got some barbecue sauce and some sriracha mayo. This is the first one I cooked and I overcooked it. So it's just here for company. Y'all know I love coleslaw, everything. Want to make it taste better? Put coleslaw on that shit. So how are you guys feeling? Listen, our governor, Greg Abbott, said, honey, he is taking off the mask mandate effective, well, today, which is Wednesday. All right, people down here, they finna go crazy. Yep, people gonna go crazy. How many calories y'all think this is? Without this, the coleslaw, the fries, bun, and this sausage. Hmm. I know that's what I do from now on is fry them in the fryer and then put them in the air fryer. This is a half a cup. So a half a cup of coleslaw was a serving size. I think it was Chris Hayes. His video had clicked up, automatically populated. And he was saying, you know how many nightclubs they have down there? Oh, do you think this is a good time to open up all businesses? Sounds to me like he don't want to be people in the not a strip club with him without a mask. I'm just saying. But you can look at this all kinds of ways. Yes, the economy has suffered. But they're saying just wait out another 12 to 18 weeks. Before you go 100%. But also think of it like this. There's job security. These people get ready to get this coronavirus. It's getting ready to spread like wildfire. And guess what? A lot of people gonna die. You have to remember here in Texas, There's a lot of people still working in their 70s. They don't necessarily work because they want the money. A lot of them work because they're in these high positions. And they like the title. All right, keeps them busy. Something to do. For bottom and fair. It's about to go down. You know, I quit my job. That was one of the reasons. Quite a few staff members at the facility got together and had a party. Somebody had coronavirus. And like 18 people in this small facility caught it. If I do remember, they gave it to a patient. But they were trying to keep it hush-hush. And after they stated that we weren't going to be accepting any patients who did not test negative twice to coronavirus. And then you turn around, accept patients who were newly diagnosed with coronavirus from the main hospital. And you won't recheck them. And they hacking and coughing. Baby. It's the disrespect, man. So, total disrespect. But you know what? It's all good. I've been on quarantine for the past 3 years. Our highway's gonna be so full. Calorie count. Coleslaw, 180 calories. Bun, 150. Chicken sausage, 160. And the fries, 222. Grand total, 712 calories. So, that's not bad. Not bad. Good. I have a question. What meal do you think should have the highest amount of calories? Mm. I'm starting to think lunch. About 500-600 calories for breakfast. No more than 800 calories for lunch, including the drink, and about 600 for dinner. Oh yeah, 120. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. So far, Texas and Mississippi are the only two states that are over everything. So, mm, that's crazy. Which means a lot of companies that look at their budgets, they're not willing to supply employees with masks anymore because it get pricey. But no, it's what it is. I'm gonna stay in quarantine. I say he could have opened up all businesses 100%, but left the mask mandate. But we'll see in a couple weeks. We're gonna see. Sit back and watch. How about y'all? Don't forget to be blessed, stay blessed, and be a blessing to somebody else. Remember, wear your mask, wash your hands, and continue to wash your ass. Till next time, y'all. Peace. Bye.